Here is a list of some amazing facts about the Tapanuli orangutan. The Tapanuli orangutan was officially discovered as a distinct species in 2017, making it the most recently identified great ape species. It is the rarest great ape on Earth, with fewer than 800 individuals left in the wild. This species is found only in the Batang Toru forest in North Sumatra, Indonesia. The Tapanuli orangutan is genetically closer to Bornean orangutans than to Sumatran orangutans, despite living on Sumatra. Its discovery was based on genetic, morphological, and behavioral differences from other orangutans. The species is critically endangered, with its population fragmented and isolated due to habitat destruction. Unlike the Bornean and Sumatran orangutans, it has frizzier hair and a narrower skull structure. Males have a distinctive mustache and flatter face compared to other orangutans. They have a lifespan of 40 to 50 years in the wild. Tapanuli orangutans are strongly arboreal, spending almost their entire lives in trees. Behavior and lifestyle. They are largely solitary, but females sometimes form loose associations. Adult males are highly territorial and rarely tolerate each other. They build a new nest every night out of branches and leaves. Unlike other orangutans, they have a unique diet, including certain plants that no other orangutan species consumes. Tapanuli orangutans have been observed using tools, such as sticks to extract insects from tree bark. They are known to consume more caterpillars and figs than their relatives. Males develop large cheek pads flanges when they reach full maturity. These orangutans have a distinctive long call used by males to attract females and warn rivals. They are more vocal than other orangutans, often communicating with soft hoots and grumbles. Unlike Sumatran orangutans, they avoid swamps and prefer hill forests reproduction and development. Female Tapanuli orangutans have the longest birth interval of any mammal, 8 to 9 years between offspring. Babies stay with their mothers for up to 8 years, learning survival skills. Males become fully flanged, develop cheek pads at around 15 to 20 years old. Unlike Bornean orangutans, Tapanuli males with flanges are more dominant in mating than unflanged males. Mother orangutans are extremely protective, and infants are rarely seen without them. There is no paternal involvement in raising offspring. Orangutans have been observed teaching their young how to use tools for foraging. Tapanuli orangutans reach sexual maturity at 12 to 15 years old. Females often prefer dominant flanged males as mates. The slow reproductive rate makes population recovery extremely difficult. Diet and foraging. Tapanuli orangutans eat over 200 different plant species. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, but also includes bark, leaves, insects, and honey. They have been observed cracking open tough nuts using tools. Their feeding habits play a key role in seed dispersal, helping maintain the forest ecosystem. In times of food scarcity, they resort to eating tree bark and tough leaves. They prefer ripe fruit and often travel long distances to find it. Unlike chimpanzees, they do not typically hunt or eat meat. They have been seen extracting water from tree holes using leaves. Some individuals have been recorded fishing insects from tree crevices. Due to habitat loss, they sometimes struggle to find enough food. Threats and conservation. Tapanuli orangutans are classified as critically endangered by the IUCN. The biggest threat to their survival is habitat destruction due to deforestation. A controversial hydroelectric dam project threatens their habitat by fragmenting the Batang Toru forest. Poaching and the illegal pet trade also pose a risk, despite legal protections. They are sometimes killed by farmers who view them as crop raiders. Road construction further isolates populations, reducing genetic diversity. conservationists believe that without immediate action, they could go extinct within decades. Organizations like the Orangutan Project are working to protect their remaining habitat. Reforestation programs aim to restore lost forest areas to support their survival. Local communities are being encouraged to engage in sustainable farming to reduce deforestation. Interesting and unique facts. Tapanuli orangutans have thicker beards compared to their Bornean and Sumatran relatives. Their name comes from the Tapanuli region where they live. They were misclassified as Sumatran orangutans for decades before being recognized as a separate species. They have longer canine teeth than other orangutans. Their calls can travel up to 1 kilometer through the forest. The discovery of the species was based on a DNA analysis of a skull found in 2013. Unlike gorillas and chimpanzees, orangutans are more closely related to humans than other apes. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of high intelligence.